I'm ready to lead you in our first meditation together here on Shorty's Hippie Haven. So, the first thing that I'd like to mention is that you don't need to wear glasses during meditation. So, I'm just going to go ahead and take those off. Now, as we prepare to meditate, I advise that you take a moment to get comfortable. In my introduction video, we talked about ways that you can sit. So please take a moment to find a way to sit that you're comfortable with. And I did share that I sit cross-legged, crisscross applesauce, and I'll just show you how I'm sitting. So this is comfortable for me, and I've already done my hour meditation this morning. So we're just going to do a short meditation together today, and I'm going to guide you through that. I will have my eyes closed. You should have your eyes closed too. It is advisable that when you choose to meditate that you go ahead and close your eyes. So I hope that in the time that we've discussed sitting and closing your eyes, that you were able to find a comfortable position for yourself. And I'm going to just ask that you go ahead and close your eyes now. So when you close your eyes, the first thing that you can do is feel your breath. And you're going to notice when you inhale, you feel your stomach rising. You feel that air coming in through your nostrils. And pay attention to every part of breathing. How does it feel? Is your chest rising and falling? Do you feel your stomach expanding? Just take a couple of moments and feel the breath coming in your nostrils and blowing out of your nostrils over your upper lip. I do recommend that you breathe through your nose, not your mouth. Breathing through your mouth is not very healthy, and it's going to cause some disruptions during the meditation process. So let's go ahead and just relax together and breathe and feel that breath coming in and out through our nose, expanding our lungs, expanding our bellies, expanding our chests. If while you are meditating, you find that thoughts are invading your mind, they're preoccupying you, you're not concentrating on your breath, just take the time to redirect yourself each time that happens. You may get carried away with the thoughts. You might find yourself entertaining the thoughts. But you're also going to have a moment where you say, wait, we're meditating right now. And you direct yourself back. You direct yourself back to your breath. You direct yourself back to concentrating on your body's reaction to each breath. And you want your breath to be natural. Don't force yourself to breathe at a particular pace. Don't engage in any type of breathing technique at this time. Just relax. Let your body relax. Release the tension. You shouldn't be holding any part of your body at all. You should be letting go. And when you find yourself clenching, maybe you're clenching your jaw. Sometimes we clench parts of our body when we're attempting to concentrate. But This is not about concentration, it's about letting go. Let go of any ideas that you have about what meditation is, what meditation should be, how you should practice meditation. Because right now we're learning something new. Or maybe you've meditated before, but we're just going to use the breath to carry us. So let's take a couple more moments of silence to just really feel the air coming in your nostrils, the rising of your stomach, the rising of your chest, the feeling of the breath inside of you, and the feeling as you release the breath. As you feel the calm start to take over your body, it is easier for you to let go of those thoughts and to concentrate on your body. Your body deserves your attention in a positive way. And when you meditate, you give your body the attention that it needs. You give your mind a break, just letting the thought process slow down, letting those thoughts take a rest, putting them aside for a while. And remember, if those thoughts keep coming, you just keep directing yourself back to concentrating on the breath, natural breath. And as you're breathing, you should feel your stomach rising and falling. The breath should be in your body. It shouldn't be rising and falling in your chest or in your shoulders. It should be rising and falling in your chest. You may find that you take deeper breaths at some time, and you take shallower breaths at some time. There is no right or wrong way to breathe during meditation. Just continue to breathe through your nose and continue to let your body regulate the speed of breath. And each time you bring your attention back to how your breath is going in and out, how your body is rising and falling, you take another moment to relax. Take another moment to just be. If you're new to meditation, you may find that you're having difficulty staying still, keeping your eyes closed, keeping your mind off of noises around you. You may find that your body is speaking to you. Perhaps you've shifted positions a few times. Perhaps you've realized that you're hungry, or you have an ache or a pain, or something's happening in your body. And that's okay. It's natural to become distracted the first times, even the first 100 times that you sit yourself down and make a conscious effort to slow your thoughts and to concentrate on your body, because this is not something that you're used to doing. It's something that you're training yourself to do. It's something new. Be patient with yourself. It's okay to start over 100,000 times if that's how many times you need. Just patiently and lovingly redirect yourself. Redirect yourself to your breath. Redirect yourself to your body. Put those thoughts aside. Aside from the meditation with trees video, this is the first meditation video that I've done on Shorty's Hippie Haven. So I'm going to keep it short. Go ahead and open your eyes. You may need to take a few moments when you have your eyes closed for an extended period of time. You may need a little bit of time to adjust to the light. Give yourself time to slowly open your eyes. You can continue to concentrate on your breath as you come back into awareness. Awareness of your environment, awareness of the things around you, awareness of your thoughts. Take a moment to check in with your body. Were you able to relax? Were you able to let go of some of those thoughts? How are you feeling? Do you feel more relaxed? As I make more videos, I will explore different methods of meditation. This particular method of meditation is my favorite. This is the beginning step of learning Vipassana meditation, and that's the type of meditation that I engage with on a daily basis. If you find yourself interested in Vipassana meditation, I would advise that you look into attending a 10-day retreat to learn the technique fully. Although with current events with COVID-19, I don't think that they've resumed these meditation retreats yet. However, it is something to look into for the future. So I will put a link to dharma.org, which is the organization that provides these meditation retreats. They are free of cost. It is a huge commitment, so I do ask that you take the time to really research, whether it's for you or not. It's definitely worth looking into, and if you do, I hope that you enjoy it because it was absolutely wonderful. And although I found it to be a large challenge, what I learned was absolutely invaluable. And so I'm going to go ahead and wish you a wonderful day. I love each and every one of you, and I thank you for taking the time to come and to meditate with me. I hope you'll do so again soon.